So I went out to lunch and she said, "Do you mind if my boss comes with us?" And I said, "No, I don't mind." So her boss came along. And at the end of this lunch, I had a job at Limited Corporation. I didn't know it was a job interview. And I went back and I told Trish, Dr. Cunningham, I said, offered me a job at the Limited. I said, I don't know if I should take it or not. And she's like, "Well, how much does it pay?" And I told her, she's, "Oh, you're taking the job. We'll figure this out." So I did that for 2 years. And this whole time I'm getting my PhD. And then I took a break after Limited. Limited was a 2-year gig, and I took a break, and then I was teaching a class on professional development at OSU on resume, cover letter writing, and all that fun stuff with the undergrads. And professional development is, I think, what the class was called.